Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever had a problem where your USB device like a mouse, keyboard or USB stick disconnect for no reason? If yes, this video is for you. I will show you how I fixed this problem step by step and how... Okay guys, let's start. If you have complete all the updates, let's move on this step. This PC, the right click on mouse, show more options. After that, on properties click. When open this, go to device manager, click, and we will find here universal serial bus or USB. The first one, the second one. And we start here, the first one. The right click on mouse, properties, the power management. If you see here, that is problem because PC going to save power and turn off USB driver. You must click this and OK. Another. Next. Next. All of this. Here we don't have anything and we're going to next. Nothing. Nothing. Here, yes, here is power management. Click this. Okay. 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 And that is it. The problem is solved. X here, X here. If this video fix your problem, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. Thank you guys. Take care.